up and about, ready to go out. But then I thought, man, what's the point? Their arrows feel blind, tears are running fast. Still apathy is all I've got. And I know it's hard to keep up sometimes. And I know I just want to make things right. But as the sun goes down.
Hello friends, today we are going to decorate a birthday cake in 1000 islands of Indonesia. This is a complete creamless birthday cake. Why? Because a hot sunny day would surely melt the cream or any type of frosting. So let's get started. So first spread little jam on the cake board. Instead of whipping cream or ganache, we are using jam for the frosting of the entire cake. Start by placing the first sponge on the cake board. Now spread the jam evenly on the cake. To keep the cake moist, we can even brush some sugar syrup. I have made 2 vanilla sponge and 1 chocolate sponge, and I have designed a fondant topper at home and I have got it. The third layer is the chocolate layer. Since we did not frost the cake with whipping cream or ganache, I am going to place the fondant directly on the top.
I was up and about, ready to go out. But then I thought, man, what's the point? Their arrows feel blind, tears are running fast. Still apathy is all I've got. And I know it's hard to keep up sometimes. And I know I just want to make things right. But as the sun goes down.
Now let's unwrap the KitKats and start arranging on the sides of the cake. Using a ribbon, tie a bow around the cake. Make sure it helps to hold the KitKats together.
This was supposed to be my year. You can see your reflection in every distraction. They'll make your worries disappear. And it is overwhelming.
Recipe for the cake sponge and fondant topper making will be shared soon. Chill the cake to set.
to go out, but then I thought, man, what's the point? There are rose-filled light, tears are running fast. Still apathy is all I've got. And I know it's hard to keep up sometimes. And I know I just want to make things right. But as the sun goes down and shadows fill the town,